नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इयत्ता 8वीमध्ये आपण आता पुढचा घटक पाहणार आहोत की त्यामध्ये आपल्याला सभोवताली जे काही घटक मिळतात किंवा जे दिसतात, ज्याचा आपण वापर करतो विविध घटकांसाठी, त्यामध्ये मेटल्स अँड नॉन मेटल्स हा एक पुढचा चॅप्टर आपण आज पाहणार आहोत। यामध्ये मेटल्स म्हणजे काय, त्यानंतर नॉन मेटल्स म्हणजे काय, आणि त्याचबरोबर मेटल आणि नॉन मेटलच्याच ॲक्टिव्हिटी किंवा प्रॉपर्टीचाच वापर करून मेटलॉइड हा एक तिसरा घटक देखील पाहणार आहोत। त्याला मराठीमध्ये म्हटलं जातं धातू, अधातू आणि धातू सदृश। त्यातील आपण प्रत्येक घटकाचा सविस्तर अभ्यास पाहणार आहोत, त्याचे भौतिक गुणधर्म, त्याचबरोबर रासायनिक गुणधर्म काय काय आहेत ते आपण ह्या प्रकरणामध्ये पाहणार आहोत। तर पाहूयात आपण सुरुवातीला करूया metals and the non-metals, in which our surroundings we see some of the objects. These are in a solid state, also liquid state and gases, out of which we first see the solid state. The metals are namely they are seen in our surroundings are in a solid state. Exception is that the mercury and the gallium is in a liquid state as a room temperature. That means here this we see the gallium is and a mercury are seen in a room temperature as a liquid state. So that another of the metals look like here the gold, silver, copper, then iron, aluminum, magnesium, etc. are the metals in a solid state. These are seen in our day-to-day life. Now we see that these the metals are the hard in property. These metals are hard, and also they are having the another one property is that they are a luster, malleability, ductility and conductivity. What is the meaning of a conductivity? These are the metals are a good conductor. These are good conductor of heat and electricity. Heat and electricity. These the metals are a good conductor of the heat and electricity. Now we have to see these the metals lose their valence electron. Metals valence electrons when they are in a produce the positively charged. These positively charged are called as a cation. Cations. Physical properties of the metals. Now we see the physical properties of the metals. Which is the physical property? भौतिक गुणधर्म काय द्यायचे ते आपण पाहणार आहोत। त्यातील पहिलं दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला फिजिकल स्टेट। ह्याची असणारी भौतिक अवस्था, फिजिकल स्टेट. Metals are in a solid state, exception is mercury and gallium are liquid state at room temperature. At room temperature, these two metals are in a liquid state. Now see here, they which are in a liquid state even at room temperature. We might have seen a doctor's pressure when we check in a doctor dispensary. Then the doctor check your pressure, blood pressure, by some apparatus in which the sum of these the liquid state of the metal are used is the mercury. Now you see the blood pressure during your visit to a dispensary accommodating our relatives. In that you might have seen a grey color liquid in a glass tube. What is that metal? This is nothing but a mercury. Now the second one of this the property is that luster is a luster. म्हणजे चकाकी, त्याला मराठीत काय म्हणतात? चकाकी. When we take any one of the metal and we wash it by your hands and the lemon, then we see the sum of this metal. Look here, this is your copper vessel, like this. This is the copper vessel. When you rub on the surface of it, then after that washing it, then it is the shining of the surface of the metal. This is the copper. When you rub on it a lemon and wash it with the water, then the shining will be produced on its surface. This is nothing but a luster of any one substance. Suppose we take as iron nail. This is an iron nail and we rub on is a file. We take rub on its surface by the file. File means फाईलला काय म्हणलं जातं? त्याला काणस म्हणलं जातं. काणसीने जर आपण ह्याच्यावर घासलं तर त्याचा सरफेस काय होतो? चकाकी निर्माण होतो, चकचकीत दिसतो. या स्वरूपाचा जो प्रकार आहे भौतिक गुणधर्माचा त्याला म्हणलं जातं लस्टर. द मेटल्स आर दिस टाईप ऑफ ए लस्टर. देन वी सी दॅट हिअर the scrub them on the lemon and rinse with the water. Observe the luster before and after cleaning. Light gets reflected from the clean and freshly cut surface of metal and metal looks like a lustrous. Now the third is that of the property is hardness. Third property is hardness. कठिनपणा, काठिन्य. Metals are also a hardness property is present because of any one of we have to taken as a metal part. This is another name. These are the hardness part. They are very big of the property of their the hardness. So many long life this the property will be taken on that substances, so that some of the your vehicles and other of the construction business these metals are also used. Generally metals are hard, not soft, exception as a sodium, in which the sodium is a metal and second is a potassium. These two metals are a soft metals. These two metals are soft metal. Therefore, they are cut easily by a knife. चाकूच्या साहाय्याने ते सहजरित्या आपल्याला त्याचे दोन भाग करता येऊ शकतात. पुढचं आहे आपल्याला दुसरा प्रॉपर्टी दिलेली आहे डक्टिलिटी. फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इट इज ए डक्टिलिटी. Fourth property is ductility. त्याला मराठीमध्ये जातं तन्यता. तन्यता, तन्यता गुणधर्म. When we take as a one of a gold, such type of a gold or a copper, this is a copper, this is the gold, this is the copper, and this is one other is a silver. And you go to the goldsmith. Goldsmith will be taken this as convert into a thin wire. Wire is formed. This gold thin wire will be formed. Also copper we take as in a wire. This is used in a electrical wires. Is also here the silver. This is a wire will be formed. This is a main of this ductility. Any one of the metal which can use for this the drive it from this the wire. म्हणजे आपण सोनं असेल, कॉपर असेल किंवा तांब्या असेल किंवा चांदी असेल ह्या अशा स्वरूपाच्या धातूंपासून आपण तार तयार करू शकतो. म्हणजे ही कोणती प्रॉपर्टी झाली त्याची तन्यता गुणधर्म. अशा स्वरूपाच्या उपयोगात येणाऱ्या घटकांमध्ये आपल्याला ह्या धातूचा महत्त्वाचा गुणधर्म वापरता येतो तन्यता गुणधर्म. पहा, हाव यू सी वन गोन टू ए goldsmith shop, हाव यू सी the goldsmith making a wire of a gold or a silver. When a metal is pulled through a hole, its wire is formed. This property of metal is called a ductility. ही प्रॉपर्टी महत्त्वाची आहे की ह्या प्रॉपर्टीच्या साहाय्याने आपण त्या धातूचे काय करतो, पातळ अशा स्वरूपाच्या वायरमध्ये रूपांतर तयार करून घेऊ शकतो. हे एक सर्वसामान्य ह्याचा वापर आपल्याला बऱ्याच ठिकाणी करता येतो. सोन्याची तारेचा वापर आपल्याला कपड्यांमध्ये केला दिसून येतो. त्यानंतर कॉपरची तांब्याच्या तारेचा वापर आपल्याला इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वायर्समध्ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाहून नेण्यासाठी केला जातो. सिल्वरचा देखील वापर आपल्याला काही दागिन्यांच्यामध्ये तयार केला जातो, तर ते दागिने घडवण्यासाठी केला जातो. पुढचा आहे आपला प्रॉपर्टी मेलेबिलिटी, वर्धनीयता. 5 नंबरची प्रॉपर्टी आहे वर्धनीयता, मेलेबिलिटी. मराठीत त्याला म्हणलं जातं वर्धनीयता. What is the meaning of this the malleability is nothing but when you take as a one of a nail. Suppose this is a one of a nail and we take it on a soft surface of like this. And hammer it on this the nail we taken on here and hammer by your hammer. This is a hammer and put on this the surface of this the metal. Then this the iron will be changed its shape and a thin shape of this the iron will be made. This sheet is formed. Thin sheet of this iron nail is made. Such type of this the metal property is known as a malleability. Such type of the thin platform will be formed as a gold, iron, then copper, silver. ह्याचा वापर आपण कुठं पाहतो, सोन्याचा पातळ पत्रा असेल, लोखंडाचा पातळ पत्रा तयार केलेला असेल किंवा सिल्वरचा चांदीचा पातळ पत्रा तयार केलेला असेल किंवा ॲल्युमिनियमचा असेल. याचा वापर आपण दैनंदिन व्यवहारामध्ये बऱ्याच ठिकाणी पाहतो. मंदिरांच्या मध्ये आपण पाहतो बऱ्याच ठिकाणी सोन्याचा त्याचप्रमाणे चांदीच्या पत्र्याचा वापर करून मढवलेलं असतं. गाभारा असेल किंवा गाभाऱ्याचा बाहेरचा दरवाजा असेल किंवा खांब असतील, यामध्ये आपल्याला सिल्वर आणि गोल्ड म्हणजे सोन्याचा वापर करून त्या ठिकाणी वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीच्या डिझाईन तयार करून त्याने पेस्टिंग केलेलं दिसून येतं. त्याचप्रमाणे आयर्न म्हणजे लोखंडाचा पत्रा आपण सर्वत्र वापरतो, बऱ्याच कारणांसाठी आपण घराच्या वरती छप्पर करण्यासाठी वापरतो. त्याचप्रमाणे काही वस्तूंच्यामध्ये पातळ पत्र्याचा वापर आपल्याला करता येऊ शकतो. घरामध्ये आपण धान्य ठेवण्यासाठी पत्र्याचा वापर करू शकतो. असे बरेचसे आहेत. कॉपरचा देखील आहे. काही प्रयोगामध्ये विज्ञान उपकरणांमध्ये तयार करण्यासाठी आपल्याला कॉपर पत्र्याचा वापर करता येऊ शकतो. त्यानंतर पुढची प्रॉपर्टी कंडक्शन ऑफ हीट. देन द थर्ड नेक्स्ट इज दॅट द कंडक्शन ऑफ द हीट. 6 is a property of this the conduction of heat. 6 take a copper plate, fix some wax at one of its end, heat the other end and observe what happens. Discuss with teacher. That means here you take as a one of plate of this the metal or a copper, and this take in your hand also or one of a scissor and put it on another end to give the heat of that, and another one is a wax is used. Suppose we take this the point of the wax and give the flame or burn this candle. Then see what are the changes are seen in here. After some time you look here what has happened. Here is the point where the heat is given to this the metal. After some time the heat particle, these particles of this iron gives the energy or the heat will be transferred from the one particle to the another particle. After some time this heat is transferred from this place to this place. After that this wax will be also melting, and this melting wax will be turned round, and so that this is happening because of heat is transferred, conduction of the heat by this the metal. We see this experiment is very easy. There is no any doubt about it. मेटल्स आर गुड कंडक्टर. मग त्यामुळे काय म्हणलं जातं, मेटल्सला म्हणजे धातू हे काय आहेत, उष्णतेचे सुवाहक आहेत. मेटल्स आर गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ हीट. They are good conductors of heat. Now the next is that conduction of electricity. 7 is also the same. Conduction of electricity. Conduction of electricity. Which metals are used to make the electrical wire? Sometime we have to see these wires are nothing but a copper, aluminum are used for this electrical current will be transferred or carries from one place to the another place. The transformers in which also use this the wire in our home appliances. The iron this wire, copper wire is used for your electricity. And then the next is that the density, घनता. पुढचा घटक एक property density, घनता. Here the metals have high density as compared to that of the water. Metals have high density, and so that the exception is also present in here. The sodium, last time we see that sodium, potassium and lithium, these are having a low density as compared to that of the water. And then the density of lithium, here is the lithium, the density is not nothing but a 0.5 0.53 gram per cubic centimeter is the density of the gallium, is a lithium. Now the next is that the third property of that the metals is nothing but a melting point and the boiling point. Next is the property is melting point and boiling point. Metals have the greater melting point and the boiling point. This is the having in which the boiling point exception is the Hg. Exception is that Hg. Then second is gallium. Then third is sodium and potassium. These are having the boiling point and the melting point as a less. So that we thankful for all of us to joining us. Now see next part in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.